Got new decoupage paper, so we're going to learn to decoupage. I don't usually cut to fit, but I did on this one because I was matching up a pattern. So I'm going to take it off, and I'm going to put a clear medium. You can use Mod Podge. I always go to my Miss Lillian's, some kind of clear medium. Put it on there, not too thick, not too crazy thick. We don't want it goopy. Now I'm lightly misting this paper. That's the trick with this paper. Then I'm going to line it up. Now here is what I want you guys to keep in mind. Yes, you want to make sure that you are going straight across the top. But what I do is I tug it down to the bottom and make sure that that corner is lining up, because the slightest shift up top is going to end up with you being off at the bottom. So just check both. The beauty of this paper is it's so sturdy that you can lift it up and put it down, lift it up and put it down, which comes in really handy because I'm really bad at this. But this paper makes it easy. So I'm just pushing down a little bit at a time, a little. Don't rush it. Do as I say, not as I do, okay? Now I'm going to use a brayer, and I want to put it on, but I don't want to mess up the paper at all, so I'm putting it inside a paper bag, plastic bag. And then I realize I don't need to put it inside the plastic. Can put the plastic so you can see what I'm doing. Now, if you have any little bubbles or wrinkles that you really need to kind of push out, use a scraper of some kind, but don't push too hard, you guys. Don't push too hard. I'm just using this soft silicone edger that really works well. The last thing I'm going to teach you to do, last thing, is look at your piece with light reflecting at it. Use a light if you have to. This is so important. Sit down on the ground, crawl around. This is where you can see if you have any bubbles that you really need to deal with now, not later. Phew, I think I got it. Are you ready? Let's get painting.